Hello everyone.
Today we will talk about the installation method of the extruder gearbox. The common installation methods of the extruder gearbox are vertical and horizontal. There is a protruding cylinder on the side where the gearbox and the screw are butted, and there is a thrust bearing inside. When the material is added, there is a force when the screw rotates to push the material forward. At the same time, there is a force that pushes the screw back, and a reaction force is obtained. This force acts on the thrust bearing. If the quality of the thrust bearing is poor and there is no O, it will quickly break down. When using a horizontal gearbox, the high, middle and low speed gears are lying flat. Add some oil. The oil will be thrown up when the gear rotates, and the bearing gears have oil. When using a vertical gearbox, the rotation of the gear can also throw the oil up, but the oil cannot be thrown to the thrust bearing position, so an oil pump should be brought. The oil pump is passively installed on the high-speed shaft. When the high-speed shaft rotates,
The oil pump will put oil up and drip on this bearing.
nowadays, in pursuit of the overall beauty of the equipment,
Vertical gearboxes are generally used.